Ilola Resources Operating Limited, we officially commissioned the 33 kVA transformer in Imogbara community.
Ní orúkọ Baba, ní orúkọ Ọmọ, ní orúkọ Ẹ̀mí Mímọ́.
One of the major requests from the grievances after research was the request for a transformer, and not because, like he said, they didn't have lights, but because they get their source from a neighboring community, and when they just feel like it or they're upset with them, they disconnect them from the light. So he said that's one of their major challenges. So that's why I decided to prioritize the major challenge of the community.
Ẹ̀rí mo ṣe ń kójú mọ́lẹ̀ látàárọ̀, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ìṣẹ̀gilọ́lá tí wọ́n ṣe oore náà. Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè oore báyìí Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó tán nílẹ̀ nìkankan wa o. Oore ayọ̀ l'Ọlọ́run máa ṣe fún wa o.
Inú wa dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ nípa transformer tí wọ́n gbé fún wa nílùú Imogbara. Ohun tó ń jẹ wá níyà ni. Ṣùgbọ́n a dúpẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe eléyìí fún wa.
Ilé-iṣẹ́ wọn yóò máa ní ìtẹ̀síwájú. Wọ́n máa tata jèrè.
This is 33 kVA. It is enough for us. It's a dream come true and we have to appreciate them.